Good day, respected teacher and classmates. I am Yulieth Valencia, and today I am going to explain my mind map. It's called Colombian Education, and in this mind map, we are going to find the more important aspects that we saw during this course. First, to talk a little bit about the importance of learn a foreign language for the global communication. In this case, taking into account this importance, the state or the government has, with the pass of the time, has implemented some educational reforms. These educational reforms are the Educational Revolution and National Program of Bilingualism. Although these reforms have very good expectations, these reforms doesn't privilege all the students because in this case for achieve the goals of these reforms you need or the students need the access to a very good resources to a very which is normally something that we find in private schools, but as we know, not everybody can access to a private schools, and the public schools has not that resources. I'm going to also explain a little more about the National Program of Bilingualism, which was established in order with some expected results. Which are these results? Was that when students finished the secondary school, they had to finish with an English level of B1. And when the students of university finish their careers, they had to finish with an English level of B2, which is not with actually it's not like that because the English level of the students when they finish this different stage of the study are very low. That because of the low access to good quality education. And according with the National Program of bilingualism is seen according to the law 115 in its article 21. The instruction is that at least one foreign language must be offered. So it's supposed that all the schools have to offer other languages, and is the decision of the student if he or she wants to take English or other language. But of course, that is an ideality because that is not true and is the only language. So that makes, for example, that when a person know more than one language, for example, an indigenous that language and also Spanish, the society doesn't recognize him or she like to be just English and Spanish. So that makes of this concept a little bit learn English. Also, bilingualism has be bilingual has some cultural implications. For example, one important is that make of you more critical. You can have more critical perspectives about other cultures. Also, you are going to have more cultural sensitivity because in that way, when you that there is other culture, when you learn other language, you also recognize the different points of view from other cultures. And also, what other implication is the reevaluation of the bilingual teacher role, because nowadays for teaching English, the schools prefer to hire native teachers, of course, because of the pronunciation, all these things that are very important. But also something that they are forgetting is that our culture is a big part of the teaching. So, for example, when you teach something and you try to explain according with our reality, the students are going to learn in a more significant way. But if it's not related to our reality, the knowledge is not going to be acquired in the same way. And continue. We have here other important aspect of the course is that how English contributes to educate bilingual Colombian citizens. In this case, it contributes through the education of students that are able to participate in the construction of the societies. Also, we are forming students that are able to work in groups to take responsible decisions about themselves, about the environment. That is a bilingual Colombian citizen. And for last, the meaning of bilingual and bicultural. What means that it's a person that is able to take part in a different in other cultures, more than one, of course, two or three different cultures. Also, is a person that is able to adapt um, himself or herself, their behaviors, attitudes to different cultures for respect to that culture, also for learn about that culture. Thank you so much for paying attention, and until our next opportunity, goodbye.